RealAgriculture.com's coverage of Cropweek 2012 in Saskatoon is brought to you by Nodulator XL, accelerated performance, accelerated yield, and Cantera Seeds, yes you can, and FarmLink Marketing Solutions, market analysis works.
I'm Gerald Beeb. I'm the owner of Agremote Systems. We designed products for farm agricultural use. We started 14 years ago with the truck chute system and the hoist system, where we can operate them with wireless remote control. You can do that from on top of an air seeder, on top of a bin, right out of the dust and away from the auger. It's a lot safer and healthier for the customer. You don't have to be running up and down ladders in a hurry. After we introduced this product, customers were asking for something for their trailers. So we moved on along. About 11 years ago, we introduced the first system on the market for trailers. This allows you to operate your trailer system with, again, wireless remote control. It turns the crank on the trailer. It's got built-in limiting switches and lights to tell you when it's open and closed. Very simple to install it. There's your shaft that you already have to turn your crank. There's a hollow tube. This slides right over top of the existing shaft that you have. And then there's a quick release pin. You drill a hole through that and you have a pin that you can release it. So it's very simple to install it. If you pull the pin out, you can still use the manual crank.
So that'll work on B-train hoppers is what that's designed for?
We build them for 2-chute, 3-chute systems or the Super B systems.
Okay, what's the range on those?
Well, you can run it from on top of any air seeder, produces a car, green bin. You've got lots of range with the system.
Awesome.
The other nice thing with these, customers always ask how much horsepower does it have. We guarantee everybody that's bought this in the last 11 years that you can crank it, it can crank it, so power is not a problem with the product. And then once we introduced this, people were asking to be able to operate their swing auger with wireless remote control. So we developed this product. It's the first one on the market where you can operate your swing auger with a 12-volt electric drive system as well. So customers are driving up with a semi from the field, pushing a button from the cab, and swinging the auger right underneath the trailer. And there's just a small demonstration model that we have at the show here, and it basically operates the unit with wireless remote control. I'll just show you how that works. Just push a button and that's how easy it is to move your swing auger underneath your trailer. You don't have to get out and start the tractor. First, it's 12-volt electric, so we supply the cable to go right up to the battery on the auger tractor. So the customer drives in and starts the operating the auger without having to turn on his tractor. And the same thing when he leaves, he can push a button and swing it out as he leaves, and then the next customer can come in with his product and operate the way he likes.
So it'll mount,
basically the 3 products that we have.
So it'll mount to any existing swing auger system?
Nice thing, it fits on the side of the hopper. It's not up in the auger tube, so it bolts right on the side of the hopper. If you sell your auger down the road, you can take it off and put it on the next auger. So it's one size fits all. The same thing with our truck chute systems and our grain trailer systems as well.